What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another awful Florida day, but today we got the bumper, the S2000. I've not inspected it yet to see if there's any damage, but it should be an OEM bumper. It's not Duraflex or anything, but it is just OEM flat black. I think it's just like a, I don't know if it's a primer or what, but that's here. So today we're going to get hopefully a hood. So we're gonna go to this junkyard or this salvage part yard and just see what they have, and I'll see you guys there. We got a little Type R here. So right here now, I got quite a bit of parts. He's going to pull whatever's the cleanest one, honestly. Just want to come look at some of these. Oof. That's a hard hit on a Mustang. They got all types of cars here. They got just a row of RSXs back there, like all being parted out, I'm sure. But we're looking for S2Ks. There's two over here. He's going to pull some cleaner hoods. I'm hoping we can get a white one. That'd be nice, as long as there's no damage on it. We just need a clean one. Like, these are obviously toast. But I was thinking about getting the top, because this top's actually pretty nice. That top we got's awful. It's got seals and stuff. It's been worked on before. Are these different taillights? These look kind of sick. Oh, these might be AP2s. I mean, well, I could tell by the engine for sure. God, this one got hit hard. Oh yeah, you can see the gold trim on the valve cover there. Damn, this one got hit. Look at that. See, well, this kind of puts into perspective how, like, yes, mine is frame damage, but mine was, I think it was the 5th spot weld, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's where the damage came to mine. That's how far back it goes on this. So, ow, that's a hard hit. That is not making any friends. Damn. This one's not that bad. This one's got a similar, but like you can see, obviously, with these hits, you can see how this one not only tweaked a lot farther back here, but if you look on the other side, this one, you can see it moved this rail as well to the left, so the whole thing kind of slanted, versus where, you know, the white one is just, it's got damage on one side, the other side shifted a little bit, like anything's gonna happen, but not that bad. Got a little STI here, Preza. Ooh, that looks like hail damage. I don't know if you can see that on camera. You see all the dots? Look at that. Damn, that sucks too. I mean, not that this car is in the best of shape, but ooh, there's a big one right there. You can't even see that. Oh, that's wild. It's wild that we're getting hail like that in Florida, because you will see that. My uncle's car, actually, they were down by the beach, and hail, I think it busted out one of his windows and just wrecked his car. But that kind of stuff can total it out. There we go, GTO with a carbon hood, and what is this? Just a, oh, it's a GT500. Oof, oof, oof. No back window. Nothing. I wonder what was the source of the accident. Jesus. That's a big side swipe. The motor still, well, I mean, it pushed all the way to the frame right there, but the motor might still be good. I'm sure it is. I'm sure you can get some pieces off of it. These are cool. I'd get one for the S2000, but then it's just, you know, it's not color matched. I don't know if that's really a good call on it. That's a hard hit. Here we go. A little custom vinyl. What is that, 370? Yeah, it's a 370. I thought that was an @ sign. Oh, it is. See, I like finding these cars and messaging these people on Instagram to see what happened to it. Nismo too. They're kind of nice. Fairlady Z. Are these cars just that wide? Those fenders seem pretty stuck out. I did think about getting one of these. The 370s are cool. Oh, it's got curtain airbags and everything. Manual. Those are cool cars. This one's obviously, I mean, I don't even know if, no. Yeah, it's snapped out. Frame's pushed in. Or is that just how it is? Is this already circular? No idea. Here we go. So we got the hood. Obviously this time, completely flat. It's just a, you know, they pull it off a good car. But hood looks good. No stress fractures or anything. I know the last hood obviously was awful, so this is going to be a lot easier to work with as far as paint and lining everything up, because there's not going to be, I mean, you're not going to have to do any work to this hood. It's got to be sanded. It's got some scratches down here, but everything's straight. It's got the washer assembly, all that stuff, so that's the only pain is going to be hooking this up, because I'm pretty sure it's cut, right? Yeah, which, I mean, that'll hook straight up. We'll just have to redo that hose right there for the washers, but that's pretty much it as far as that goes. But got the hood, so we are good to go. All right, we're about to make the drop. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad, but I want to check out the bumper before we actually got on the road. And this thing's brand new. It's supposed to be OEM. That's the only thing I was concerned with, if it looked a little used. But I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but this looks really, really nice. There's gonna be practically no prep work that's even gonna go into this. So let's go ahead and wrap this up, get it dropped off at the shop. All right, well, we just got back from the shop. I dropped off all the parts. I didn't film anything because we literally got there and it was just pouring rain because the weather's been awful today, but of course now it's clear skies because that's how Florida works. But we got the old bumper back, which I'm just gonna put online for, you know, what we paid. We didn't pay much for it. It was like $175, $200, something like that. But so that's not bad. Look at this. These people spray painted. They spray painted the whole bumper. The trim is in the middle too, which I think I left at the shop. I'm not sure if it's in the garage, but the trim, this person, whoever did it, just spray painted everything. Like even the middle is white. So I think it was a black bumper. I'm not sure. Yeah, looks like it was. Oops. But we'll put that up for sale. And then obviously we got the brand new OEM bumper at the shop. So that should be the absolute last thing. The he's got the hood, brand new hood. Well, more or less it was used, but got it from this cool shop like the one that you saw today. And that was a really cool warehouse. I guess they just buy, I saw on the table they had all these like Copart listings laid out, so I'm sure they just buy all those cars from Copart and then just take them apart and sell the parts online, which I'm sure, especially with everybody trying to rebuild now with how much, you know, like I said, like Sam Crack and Goon Squad and all them kind of inspiring people to do this kind of stuff, so it's becoming more popular, just like the lady at the rebuild office said. So I'm sure businesses like that are starting to do pretty good. They had a really nice warehouse. So the next update video should be that the car's done. It's realistically not going to take that long because now they don't have to fix the hood. I mean, the other hood was awful, as you guys remember, but I mean, if they bonded the car, it just looked bad. I don't think it was fixable. Plus, it was, the main thing was the crack in the middle because it was stressed. It was stressed. It was kind of folding in and it wasn't lining up on the left side. So, or on the passenger side. So the very next video should be that car getting out of the shop because now it's just paint and aligning everything up and final touches, clear coat, nothing. I mean, there's going to be little to no body work. They're going to have to respray that entire hood because it is gray, so that's going to be a little bit of work. But car should be done the very next video, and then we're going to work on getting inspected. The Porsche should be, I'm going to Porsche Parts Global because I need to get the valve, the vent valve for the gas tank. I don't know, it's pressure relief valve, something like that, but it's for the gas tank because it wasn't venting, you guys know that. So that's going to be it for this one. Next video is going to be the S2000. I'm hoping completely done, and I will see you guys then. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys later. Peace.